Hello guys, welcome back to TechDose, and in this video we will see the difference between two very basic searching algorithms, which are the linear search and binary search. Linear search works for both sorted as well as the unsorted arrays, whereas the binary search works only for the sorted arrays. Let us take an example. Let us assume that we have been given an array which is from 1 to 6, therefore indices are from 0 to 5, and you are required to find, let us say, element 4. What will you do in linear search? You will start from index 0. If it is not equals to this element to be found, then you will move to the second element, then you will move to third element, and finally when you find the element you will stop. This is linear search. What is binary search? When you search for, let us say, element 4, then you will take the entire size. The index of this last one is 5. Therefore what you do is you find the middle element, that is equals to low plus high, low index plus high index by 2. Here low index is 0, high index is 5, and 0 plus 5 by 2 will be equals to 2, removing the fractional part. Therefore the middle element will be this one, index 2, which is having 3. Now since 3 is smaller than the element to be found, which is 4, and since our elements are arranged in ascending order, therefore what we will do is we will just discard all these elements and move to the right hand side. Now the middle element of this right array will be 3 plus 5 by 2, which will be equals to 4. Therefore we will move now to index 4. At index 4 we will check whether this element 5 is equals to the element to be found, and we see that it is not equals, but it is greater than the element to be found. So therefore we will move to the left, discarding this entire array. Okay, so now we move to index 3, and since we have just a single element in this array, this 4 will be compared with the element to be found, and therefore our element will be found. This is how the binary search works. Therefore it works only for the sorted arrays, and it is not like it will work only for ascending order elements and will not work for descending order. It will definitely work for descending order. You will just have to tweak a little in your code. Okay. Therefore, you can see that the time complexity taken in the linear search will be order of n, since every element is compared one by one, the adjacent elements. While the time complexity in this binary search, the time complexity will be log of n, log n base 2. Since we are dividing this entire array into two halves, and then if the element is present in one half, then we are discarding the other half without comparing the elements in that half. Therefore we are decreasing the number of comparisons, and therefore the time complexity also decreases to a great extent. It will be order of log n base 2. One more difference is that in linear search we are doing sequential access of elements. So we are doing sequential access of elements, but in binary search we are doing a random access of elements. How can we say that we are doing random access? Because we are finding the middle element, which depends on the lowest index and the highest index of our given array, and we are just jumping to that element, and then we are comparing the given element with our required element, and now again we are discarding the half of the array, taking the other half, and again recalculating the middle. This is the formula for mid. We are recalculating mid and again jumping from this 4 to this 5. So we are actually jumping back and forth in this binary search. Therefore we have random access and we have no sequential access in binary search. So these are the basic differences between linear search and binary search. I hope this was helpful to you. Like and share our video and subscribe to our channel in order to watch more of these programming videos. See you in our next video. Thank you.